if you are from Nando in Anambra State, don't skip this video. Don't go anywhere. Watch this video to the end and tell me why this thing is happening in this video. So besties, when it comes to culture and tradition of Igbo land, I come out cap for the Anambra. In the Anambra, these people are really trying. They don't joke with our culture and tradition. They always promote our culture and tradition. So bestie, I want to gist you something that happened in this video. That's why I said if you're from Nando in Anambra State watching this video, please comment in the comment section. Tell me why this thing is happening this way. Every January 2025, I went to a burial ceremony in Nando. But guess what happened? I saw something that I have not seen before. I saw the traditional way of doing burial in Igbo land. Besties, I was so happy that day because I don't know that my people are still practicing the olden days of doing burial in Igbo land. Besties, I supposed to use Igbo language to do the voiceover, but because of some of my followers, some of my fans that are not from Igbo land but they love culture and tradition, that's why I'm using English to do the voiceover so that they also understand what is happening in the video. The Anambra, the Anambra, you people are too good to go. Like what I saw that day marveled me. Okay, bestie, at this point, look at me here so that you guys will believe, yes, I truly went to Nando for the burial ceremony. In fact, I love what I saw that day. I will not lie for you now. So keep watching. Please, if you're from Nando, can you tell me the reason they tied some of the lappers on their waist? Because one thing I saw that day is that the deceased daughters tied something like lappers, some pieces of lappers on their waist, together with the special hand fan they are using to dance. See now, in the Anambra, these people, I too love you. Like I said when I was starting this video, I have not been to Nando before in my life. I have not gone there. I don't know the place, but the burial ceremony made me to know that place. It's like my next interview will be from there. So bestie, another thing I observe from these people is that these people live long life. You hardly see someone that expire at age of 30 years, 20 years, 40, 50. You know, what I saw that day shocked me. That was when I observed that these people live long life. I saw someone that expired at age of 145, 120, 110, 95. You know, the least I saw there was 75. So at this point, we wanted to go back, but the children said that we should do Christmas for them. Bala Christmas, Bala New Year. It was all fun. I really enjoyed that place. In the Anambra, dalụ hine maka ịnakwalite omenala Igbo. Nakwa maka ịna-enyere nwanne unu aka. Okike abịa ma gọzikwa unu ise. Remember to share this video to your loved ones, family and friends. Comment and like. Some of them will love to watch this video.